Hey there, financial freedom seekers. Are you ready to transform your 2025 by learning 35 powerful net income calculation secrets that can help you crush your debt once and for all? Whether you're swimming in bills or just trying to maximize every dollar, this video is your ultimate guide. Let's dive in. Understanding net income. First, what is net income? It's your take-home pay, the money you have after taxes and deductions. Knowing how to calculate this is crucial for managing your finances effectively. 1. Use your net income, not gross income, for budgeting. Gross income is the total amount you earn before deductions. Basing your budget on this number can lead to overspending because it doesn't reflect your actual spending power. 2. Factor in all deductions. Be aware of every deduction from your paycheck, including health insurance, retirement contributions, and any other withholdings. Ignoring these can lead to budgeting errors. 3. Use a net income calculator to save time. Online net income calculators are quick and accurate. They account for taxes, deductions, and withholdings, giving you a clear picture of your take-home pay. Increasing your net income. Want more take-home pay? Let's look at how you can increase your net income. 4. Renegotiate your salary. Don't hesitate to ask for a raise. Even a modest increase in your gross income can significantly impact your net income, especially if you're strategic about deductions. 5. Adjust your tax withholdings. Consult with a tax advisor to ensure you're not withholding too much or too little. Striking the right balance ensures you're maximizing your take-home pay without surprises at tax time. 6. Reduce pre-tax contributions temporarily if debt repayment is urgent. While contributing to retirement accounts is important, pausing or reducing pre-tax contributions can provide extra cash flow to tackle high-interest debts more aggressively. Maximizing what you take home. Even small changes in your financial habits can result in substantial savings. 7. Opt for higher deductibles on insurance plans. If you're healthy and rarely use insurance, choosing a plan with higher deductibles can lower your premiums and increase your net income. 8. Contribute to an HSA or FSA. Health savings accounts, HSAs, and flexible spending accounts, FSAs, reduce your taxable income. These pre-tax contributions save money while covering eligible expenses. 9. Avoid overpaying taxes. Overpaying taxes means you're giving the government an interest-free loan. Adjust your withholdings to keep more money in your pocket throughout the year. Budgeting with net income. Budgeting allows you to control your spending and prioritize your financial goals effectively. 10. Use the 50-30-20 rule based on your net income. Allocate 50% of your net income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This method ensures a balanced approach to money management. 11. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees. Set up automatic payments for recurring bills like utilities and credit cards. This prevents missed payments, saving you money on late fees and maintaining a good credit score. 12. Allocate windfalls like bonuses toward debt, not splurges. Instead of using unexpected income for discretionary spending, direct it toward high-interest debts or savings. This accelerates your financial progress. Side hustles to boost net income. Earning extra money can significantly enhance your financial situation. 13. Freelancing or gig work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or local gig apps can help you monetize skills such as writing, graphic design, or delivery driving to increase your net income. 14. Rent out unused spaces or items. If you have a spare room, garage, or unused items, consider renting them out on platforms like Airbnb or local rental marketplaces. 15. Monetize a hobby like crafting or writing. Turn your creative interests into income by selling products on Etsy, starting a blog, or self-publishing an ebook. Cutting expenses to free up income. Reducing expenses is often the quickest way to improve your financial situation. 16. Negotiate bills like cable, internet, and subscriptions. Call service providers to request discounts or switch to cheaper plans. Many companies offer promotional rates to retain customers. 17. Switch to generic brands. Opting for store brand products instead of name brands can save you money without sacrificing quality. 18. Cook at home instead of eating out. Preparing meals at home is far cheaper than dining out. Meal planning and batch cooking can further reduce costs and save time. Using tools and resources. The right tools can simplify financial management and help you stay on track. 19. Use apps like Mint or YNAB for tracking expenses. Budgeting apps help you monitor your spending, set goals, and stick to your budget, ensuring you manage your finances effectively. 20. Schedule regular financial check-ins. Set aside time, weekly or monthly, to review your income, expenses, and financial goals. This helps you stay proactive and adjust plans as needed. 21. Join financial forums or communities for support. Engage in online communities or local groups focused on personal finance. They offer motivation, accountability, and practical tips to help you succeed. Debt repayment strategies. Effective debt repayment is crucial for financial stability and long-term wealth building. 22. Snowball method. Pay off small debts first for quick wins. Focus on paying off the smallest debts first, while making minimum payments on others. This builds momentum and motivation as you see results quickly. 23. Avalanche method. Focus on high-interest debts for maximum savings. Prioritize debts with the highest interest rates. This saves more money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest paid over time. 24. Balance transfers to lower interest rates. Use balance transfer offers to consolidate debts at a lower interest rate, reducing monthly payments and allowing you to pay off debt faster. Passive income streams. Building passive income creates financial security and boosts your net income over time. 25. Invest in dividend stocks. Purchase stocks from companies that pay regular dividends. These provide a steady income stream with potential for growth over time. 26. Create digital products like eBooks. Develop products such as eBooks, online courses, or templates that can be sold repeatedly, generating income with minimal ongoing effort. 27. Real estate rentals or REITs. Invest in rental properties for consistent income or in real estate investment trusts to earn without directly managing property. Mindset and motivation. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in achieving financial success. 28. Visualize your debt-free life. Imagine the freedom and opportunities you'll gain once you're debt-free. This visualization can inspire you to stay disciplined. 29. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Acknowledge progress, such as paying off a credit card or reaching a savings goal. Celebrating keeps you motivated for the long haul. 30. Avoid comparing your journey to others. Focus on your unique financial goals and progress. Comparing yourself to others can lead to unnecessary stress and derail your efforts. Bonus tips. Here are 5 bonus secrets to supercharge your progress. Review your finances monthly. Sell items you no longer use. Consolidate debts for simpler management. Use cashback rewards wisely. Learn continuously to adapt to financial trends. And there you have it. 35 life-changing secrets of calculating, managing, and maximizing your net income to get out of debt in 2025. Check out all the related resources and download the helpful links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more life-changing financial tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's make 2025 the year you achieve financial freedom.